This is Shelley Craft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're coming to you live from the Sprott Symposium 2018 in Vancouver, BC, Canada. I have with me Blair Lowther of BlocPal. It's a private company. Welcome to SNNLive.
Thank you, Shelley. It's a pleasure to be here.
It's good to be. It's good to have you. Let's get started with an overview of the company, and we'll go from there.
So BlocPal is a payment processing solution that allows users to accept multiple cryptocurrencies to pay for goods and services. So from the merchant side, that means that they can now access that $450 billion in virtual currency market capitalization that they previously haven't been able to get access to. And once the merchant accepts that cryptocurrency as part of the transaction, they can then either hold it, exchange it for a fiat, such as Canadian, US, or Euro, or exchange it for another supported cryptocurrency.
Give me a little history on the company.
So the company was created, our CEO has about a 15-plus year history in the gaming industry. So he's been in software encryption and payment processing for more than 15 years. Our entire team has more than 50-plus years of experience and has processed more than $30 billion in transactions. So we're no stranger to the payment processing and software encryption game. What we've done is apply that technology and all that learning to the blockchain and cryptocurrency industry.
So who's your typical customer?
So right now we're targeting what we call microtransactions. So online retailers, of course, are our bread and butter, but we're also looking to work with a lot of bricks and mortar retail stores. We have a pilot project set up with a local coffee shop that we're launching right away here. So yeah, microtransactions is what we're calling as our target market.
So when you go into a local retail store, how do you transact your buy at that point of sale?
So let me tell you how it worked before us. So if you wanted to go into a coffee shop today and buy a coffee using Bitcoin, you're going to wait 20 to 30 minutes for that transaction to process, and you're going to pay fees that cost more than the coffee itself. So what we've done is we've come in and we've made it simple. The user walks into the store, they open up their app, they tell the teller, I'd like to pay with cryptocurrency. The teller then creates a QR code with our point of sale system. Our user scans that QR code, the transaction's done. The cryptocurrency is now in the merchant's account, and now they have the option to, like I said, either convert to fiat or another cryptocurrency.
So, is this a wallet?
Exactly, it is an e-wallet, that's right.
What do vendors need to accept your way of payment?
So that's a great question. Because we are a security token as part of our company, we do have KYC and AML requirements. But that said, it is quite simple. You just go to our website. We ask you some questions about your personal identification, about your business, perhaps a certificate of incorporation to show that you truly exist. We make sure that that complies with our KYC and AML requirements, and then you're off to the races.
What gives you the competitive advantage now?
So our three competitive advantages are that we support multiple cryptocurrencies. So we are one wallet that allows you to spend Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, or Litecoin. We also offer instant settlement. And like I said, if you wanted to go buy a coffee without us, you would wait 20 to 30 minutes for that transaction to process. We're able to process that instantly. And then the third competitive advantage is we actually guarantee the payments as well to the merchant.
What's your background?
I was previously a securities lawyer. I practiced for about 9 years here in Vancouver for a large law firm.
So where is this available now?
So we haven't launched. We launch August 15th, so I encourage everybody to go to our website at BlocPal.com. That's BLOCPAL.com, and download our e-wallet, and we'll be ready to go for August 15th.
Where was this developed?
So this was developed right here in Vancouver. Like I said, our CEO, Nick Melios, was previously in software encryption and online gaming, and he's taken his team and a lot of that technology and applied it to this blockchain and cryptocurrency industry.
And it's available in which countries?
Worldwide. So we're only working with a few fiat currencies right now, Canadian, US, and Euros, but the merchant payment processing solution is available globally.
How does BlocPal make money?
So BlocPal, it's a great question. I'm glad you took me there. So BlocPal takes a percentage of each transaction. So it's roughly 1% of each transaction to a maximum of $5. So compared to Visa, MasterCard, and Amex, it's roughly half or 1/3 what you might pay them to process the same transaction.
So this is on the blockchain, correct?
That's right. That's right. So this is all taking place on our own proprietary blockchain.
And what's the security involved?
So like all blockchain, a proper blockchain is highly secure. And like I said, our guys have a background in software encryption, and they've applied that to the public and private keys. We can get deep into the cryptocurrency and how e-wallets work, but essentially anything that's on the blockchain, a true blockchain, is more secure than any other central storage system.
And what about ICO?
It's a great question. So we're actually a security token. So instead of doing an ICO, we're going to do what's called a security token offering. And we hope to have that done by way of prospectus, meaning we want to have our tokens freely trading with the public by Q1 of 2019. We're working with the securities regulators. The regulations in cryptocurrency are a constantly moving target. So at this point, the objective is to just keep an open line of communication with the regulators and keep working towards an STO prospectus offering for Q1 2019.
What's your website?
Our website is www.blockpal.com. That's BLOCPAL.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, Blair Lowther, BlocPal. It's a private company. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive, and we're coming to you live from the Sprott Symposium 2018 here in Vancouver, BC, Canada. Thanks so much, Blair, for coming on.
Thank you very much, Shelley.
My pleasure.